Someone on Insta is saying you're never a Blizzard dev. That's because I wasn't. I was in quality assurance, and then I was the lead of application security, and then I was a senior red team specialist. I'm an offensive security specialist. I'm a hacker, dude. When the hell have I ever said I was a dev there? What? People make up all kinds of shit. That's like putting on your like food saying it doesn't contain asbestos, and then everyone has to be like, well, mine doesn't either. Be like, yeah, but your box doesn't say that. How'd you get into hacking? Misspent youth. Now I'm a dev, yeah. I'm an indie dev, man. Yup.